So today I am continue with the chapter 5 heat, and topic is scales of temperature. Scales of temperature. So in last video I taught you about the thermometer. Two types of thermometer. One is clinical thermometer and one another is the laboratory thermometer. Yes. So laboratory thermometer we used in lab for measuring the temperature of boiling point, melting point and freezing point, like that things. Okay. And in the clinical thermometer we used to measure the human body temperatures. And also for thermometers we use two commonly scales. Yes. So two commonly used scales for measuring temperature by thermometer. So we are taken two scales in thermometer. Celsius scale, first is Celsius scale and second is Fahrenheit scales. These two scales used in the measuring temperature by thermometer. So Celsius scale we write degree Celsius. Yes, here it is degree and it is Celsius, capital C. So firstly I explain about this Celsius scale. What is the characteristics and which type of temperature we measure here by Celsius scale. So in Celsius scale, first is Celsius scale used in laboratory thermometer. This scale commonly we used in laboratory thermometers. Second is in Celsius scale, the melting point of ice is taken as 0 degree Celsius. Melting point of ice is taken as 0 degree Celsius. And the boiling point of water is taken as 100 degree Celsius. Boiling point of water is taken as 100 degree Celsius in Celsius scale. 0 degree Celsius melting point, 100 degree Celsius boiling point of water. The distance between the 2 points, lower and upper fixed points, is divided into 100 equal divisions. Yes. In the figure of thermometers, I show you about the lower and upper fixed point where the melting point of ice, where the boiling point of water. Already I showed you, but here again I am saying. See here, like that this is a thermometer. So here in down side where the bulb is present, in down side where we start the 0 degree Celsius, this is the lower fixed point and this is the upper fixed point. Yes. So lower fixed point also is a melting point of ice. In lower fixed point it is started with a 0 degree Celsius and end with the 100 degree Celsius in Celsius scale. So 0 degree Celsius is a lower fixed point and also melting point of ice. And the 100 degree Celsius is the upper fixed point in a thermometer and also the boiling point of water. And here between 0 and 100 equal divisions of fixed point. 100 equal divisions of fixed point here. 1, 2, 3, 4 like to 100 continuously. So here the distance between the 2 points, lower and upper fixed point, is divided into 100 equal divisions. And Celsius scale measures a temperature difference of 1 degree Celsius. That means temperature difference between two continuous temperature. Yes, like that we measure 1 degree Celsius and another we measure 2 degree Celsius. So here the difference between temperature difference between these scales is 1 degree. Yes, we subtract from the 2 by 1. Yes, if we are taken 2 degree and 1 degree, then difference is 1 degree Celsius. Like that. Celsius scale measures a temperature difference of 1 degree Celsius. So this is about the Celsius scale. I am again repeating. Celsius scale used in laboratory thermometer, melting point 0 degree Celsius, boiling point 100 degree Celsius. The distance between the 2 points is 100 equal division and Celsius. scale measures a temperature difference is 1 degree Celsius. Now I am going to explain about the Fahrenheit scales. Fahrenheit scales also we use to measure the temperature in a thermometer. But in which thermometer? Clinical thermometer. Yes. And we write down this one in degree Fahrenheit. F. This is showing the degree and it is capital F. Degree Fahrenheit. What we call degree Fahrenheit. So Fahrenheit scale used in clinical or doctor's thermometer in hospital or clinic, where they measure the temperature of human beings, human body. And the melting point of ice is 32 degree Fahrenheit. Melting point of ice is 32 degree Fahrenheit. If we measure the melting point of ice in Fahrenheit scale, in a thermometer both are given, Celsius also and Fahrenheit also. So if we take melting point of ice, so it is a 32 degree Fahrenheit. If you calculate boiling point of water in Fahrenheit scale, it is taken as 212 degree Fahrenheit. Here in Celsius scale it is 0 degree, melting point of ice 0 degree Celsius, and in Fahrenheit scale melting point of ice is 32 degree Fahrenheit. That means Fahrenheit scale started with 32 degree Fahrenheit and ends with 212 degree Fahrenheit. But in Celsius scale a thermometer start with 0 degree Celsius and end with 100 degree Celsius. So the distance between the 2 points, which 2 points? The lower and upper fixed point. So the difference between these 2 points, lower and upper fixed point, divided into 180 equal divisions. Here only 100 equal divisions. Here 180 equal divisions. Last is Fahrenheit scale measures a temperature difference of 1 degree Fahrenheit. Yes, so it is similar. Here also difference is temperature difference 1 degree Celsius. Here also temperature difference is 1 degree Fahrenheit. So here both are similarity in Celsius and Fahrenheit. Both are measuring the temperature. First similarity, both are measuring the temperature. Both scales used for measuring the temperature. Second similarity, temperature difference is 1 only. In Celsius also and here in Fahrenheit scale also. Only 1 difference. These two are similarity between the Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. And these four are difference between Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. Celsius scale used in laboratory thermometer, Fahrenheit used in clinical thermometer. Melting point 0 degree Celsius, melting point 32 degree Fahrenheit. Boiling point is 100 degree Celsius, boiling point to 112 degree Fahrenheit. If we convert this 0 degree Celsius in Fahrenheit, then it's come 32 degree. And if we convert this Celsius into Fahrenheit, then it's come into 212 degree Fahrenheit. So next is distance between the 2 points is 100 equal divisions. Here 180, 100 equal divisions. So all these four are the difference between these two scales and two are similarity between these two scales. So next topic in next video. Thank you.